Hi, welcome to Crafts with Pam, and we have a very special guest with us today.
Bob the Bible Guy! So Pam, what are we making here?
Today we're going to make some resurrection rolls, and basically what it is, it represents Jesus going into the tomb, so it's kind of a fun craft that you can eat later.
Nummies.
So what you'll need for this craft is crescent rolls, you can get that at any supermarket, some melted butter, a mixture of sugar and cinnamon, and some marshmallows. So these are the steps for our resurrection rolls. Step 1, prep it. Well, first we're gonna start off with the crescent rolls.
Crescent rolls.
Can you open this for me, Pastor Bob? And press right
Press
there.
right there?
Mm-hmm, be careful.
Careful.
There we go.
Careful of what?
So we're just gonna roll the triangles out. There you go. So what the dough represents is Jesus's tomb. So we're gonna roll out all of the triangles. There we go. Thank you. So this is Jesus's body. So we're gonna grab a marshmallow.
Okay.
Go ahead and grab one. You're gonna roll it in the butter like this.
Oh, I didn't know.
And we're preparing Jesus's body right now.
Okay. So we roll it?
You're gonna roll them in the butter and then into the cinnamon sugar mixture. When you're ready, you can go ahead and place on the bigger end of your triangle. And then you're just gonna roll it.
Roll it.
So we're placing Jesus in the tomb right now.
Okay.
And then we're gonna seal it up.
Pretty good
Just
at rolling
like
there,
that.
Pam.
Yeah.
Alright, so you gotta roll him.
I know you guys will do a much better job at home.
Bob doesn't cook.
It's our first go around here. And our butter is getting really cold.
Oh, look at that! It's like a croissant! Oui, oui. Alright, we got what? 5. We made 5, and we're gonna, what do we do? Where do we put these?
So we're gonna put this in the oven.
For how long?
For 9 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Adult supervision is recommended. It's recommended.
I'm here for you.
There is no height requirement to be an adult.
Step 2, bake it.
We're throwing these in the oven, right,
Yes.
Pam? Okay, so we'll go
For how long?
for 10 to 12 minutes at 300 degrees. I'm gonna go put these
For
in.
9 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees. Thank you.
We're done, Pam. We can add cinnamon to these.
And put a little more cinnamon on the top.
Okay, a little bit more cinnamon.
Looks great. Step 3, eat it.
Now, so we take a bite. Oh, it's green inside.
Step 4, read it.
Man, that is a tasty way to learn about the Bible, Pam. I'm so glad we did that together. Tastes really good. You should take a bite.